Good morning, everybody. This is Lorraine, Alternative Homesteading. I just thought the targeted people out there would like to see what they do to my food. So I picked this squash a couple of days ago, and they're all perfect. I mean, they're homegrown. And the criminals decided that they were going to draw on this squash. So let's have a look. What do you think about their artwork? And what do you think that they use to draw those lines? If you think you know, please leave a comment down below. And what do you think about the drawing skills? What do you think about being paid by the government to perform these ridiculous invasions of privacy and food vandalism? Leave a comment down below. I'd like to hear what you have to say because your tax dollars are paying for this. This is Lorraine, Alternative Homesteading, and I look forward to speaking with you on the next video.